Yeah, hello, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm the founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah. So before I start to this episode, please, people are impersonating me. Listen very carefully. I will not be a first person to chat you, to ask you to join my Telegram, blah 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 blah, to chat you and be asking money from you. I don't do that. I will never and ever chat you first. Listen very carefully. I will never and ever chat you first. I've seen people are creating a lot of crypto lord in my name, downloading my videos, and they miscount people. So don't fall victim. There is no way you need help from me. There's no way I will chat you in order to help you. I don't do that. Yeah. So please, I don't do that. Yeah, and I have my number too on the video. And please, my TikTok handle has 10k followers. That's 10,000 followers. Yeah. And before, let's say you want to join my mentorship is not for free. So I have my link in my bio. You can click on it and chat me. And if you're ready to do your payments and for us to start our mentorship, you can even video call me to see whether it's me that you're chatting with. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Yeah. And please, if you click on the link, make sure that you have to know this. My mentorship is not for free. I charge for mentorship. Yeah, it's not for free. Yeah. So today I'm here to use $12 to start my arbitrage. Yeah, using this and the black market. So people have been eager for the black market, and if you need it, it's just $40. Yeah, then you get your black market. Yeah. So when I came here, I can say that it's 12.26 USDT. Yeah. So today I will be using Solana to do it. Yeah. So if I come here, you can see that Solana is 184.72. So if you want to initiate any trade, we have two things that you have to consider, and I know most of people here know it. I've been saying it a lot. Yeah. So first of all, let me go to my assets and go to withdraw, and let me check. Let me check Solana. Yeah, so Solana, the address fee for Solana is what? 1.47. So you have to make sure that the profit that you're making, if you deduct 1.7 from it, you're still making profit, right? Yeah. So I have 1.47 to pay for every transaction that I'll make. Yeah. So in order to do it, if you buy USDT, it will be in a funnel wallet, so you have to transfer it to the unified trading wallet. Yeah, so I'll transfer it to the unified trading wallet here. Then I'll go to my trade and I'll go to buy. So I'm buying 12 USDT and I'll be getting 0.064 if I spend 12 USDT. And as a beginner, you just need some small amounts just to start and build up. Yeah. So I'll come to the exchange, and here I'll choose Solana. Yeah. So the amount of Solana I have right now, I'll paste it over here to check. So every trade I'll be gaining 13.3. So it means that I've earned 1.3 as what? As profit. 1.3 as profit. And remember, you have a fee to pay. So the fee is what? 1.4. 1.4. Yeah. So it means that if you use 12 USDT, you will what? You'll be getting some fee to pay. Yeah. So this is how I will do it. So I have to what? Increase my sales over here. So let me increase it to 20 USDT. So I'll be getting 0.108. Then I'll open it, place it on the convert platform. So I'll be earning 22.53. So it means that after paying everything, I have 1.1 USDT as profit. 1.1 USDT as profit. Yeah. So the 1.1 USDT as profit, so 1.1 times 10 times, that's 11 USDT on $20 account. So one thing about arbitrage is that the higher your investment or the higher the capital, the higher the profit. You see, yeah, the higher the investment or the higher the capital, the higher the profit. So this one is just on a $20 account. $20 account. Yeah. So you'll be earning 1.1 on Solana, because the fee for Solana is 1.4. I think 1.4, right? Yeah, fee for Solana is 1.4. The fee for Solana is 1.47. Yeah. So when you use $20, you'll be having 1.1 as profit. So let's say if you're using $200 to do it, you'll be getting 1.082. So I'll come to the convert the exchange platform, then I'll paste it over here. So I'll be getting 225.7. So it means that I've earned $25.8. So if I deduct the 1.4 from 8, I still have $24 as my profit. And $24 times 10 times is $240. So if you're in Ghana, $240 times 12.0 is 2,880 Ghana cedis every day. You see that then? Yeah. So this how you make your money with arbitrage. And people be saying that, why don't you do it? Like TikTok and YouTube at times don't accept us to do the live this thing. That's why we don't normally do it. Yeah. So that's how it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And if you have any questions, I'm there. And if you want the mentorship too, the link is in my bio. And if you want the convert exchange platform, the black market too, it's just $40. You chat me, you pay, I'll send to you. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.